What if Excel could write personalized client emails for you in seconds? No copy pasting, no typing manually, just AI generating professional follow ups automatically inside Excel. Greetings, everyone. In today's session, I'll show you how to use AI directly inside Excel to automatically generate personalized follow up emails for your clients. We'll use a simple AI powered Excel extension along with one easy formula to turn client notes into professional emails within seconds. So here we are inside Excel, Microsoft 365, and this spreadsheet contains a real estate client database. Let's quickly understand the table. Column D contains the client names, column E contains the email addresses, and column F contains notes about their preferences. Things like property type, budget, location, or special requirements. Now, imagine having hundreds of clients. Writing personalized follow up emails for every single person would take hours. But today, I'll show you how AI can do it automatically inside Excel. Step 1. Install the AI extension. First, we need to install an add-in called GPT for Excel Word. Go to the Home ribbon, then click Add-ins. Inside the search bar, type GPT for Excel Word and install it. I already have it installed, so once you sign in with your Microsoft account, you're ready to start using AI directly in your spreadsheet. Step 2. Generate the AI formula. Now comes the exciting part. Inside the email generation column, we'll type equals GPT. Now, we would write our prompt. You are an expert at writing professional emails. Please craft a short personalized follow-up email based on these client notes. Then click cell F3, the notes, then type 1. Let me explain this quickly. The first part is the prompt we give to AI. F3 is the cell containing the client's notes, and 1 controls the response format. Now press enter. You'll notice the cell says busy for a moment. That means AI is generating the response in real time. And just like that, the personalized email is ready. Step 3. View the full email properly. Sometimes the full email will not appear clearly inside the cell, so here's a simple trick. Right-click the generated result, choose Copy, then use Paste Special Values Only. Now when you double-click the cell, you can see the complete email properly formatted. For example, "Hi John, I wanted to follow up regarding your search for a 3-bedroom house near the city center." And the impressive part is that the email is fully personalized based on the notes we provided. This can save hours of manual work and makes client communication much faster and more professional. So that's how you can combine Excel with AI to automate personalized email generation in just a few clicks. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe my channel for more tutorials.